Welcome to this video on engineering agentic AI, focusing on designing autonomous systems and multi-agent swarms. Looking at the evolutionary staircase, we've moved from rule-based logic in the 1960s to agentic swarms today. The 2026 forecast involves language models with perception, memory, and action layers, using human language for autonomous machine action. The AI taxonomy matrix helps us distinguish between generative AI, AI agents, and agentic AI. Agentic AI, the manager, excels at orchestrating complex multi-step workflows with high autonomy and continuous learning memory. The anatomy of the cognitive engine shows the evolution of intelligence from simple reflex to a learning agent. This fifth step improves performance without hard coding, featuring a critic, learning element, and problem generator. Agentic reasoning involves a cognitive maturity model, including reflection, tool use, planning, and multi-agent collaboration. These patterns enable significant performance leaps, as shown by the increase in accuracy in the human-evil benchmark. The agentic nervous system connects the user prompt or input through a router or line graph. This evaluates intent and directs data flow to memory, action, and the engine for reasoning and generation. A deep dive into memory shows that embeddings convert meaning into mathematics. Unlike keyword searches, vector search allows us to find documents based on semantic proximity, which is crucial for modern AI systems. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, works in 3 steps. Retrieval finds relevant documents, augmentation injects them as ground truth, and generation uses this information for a precise, factual answer. LangGraph is a router that assesses intent and conditionally directs the workflow, for example, to a calculator tool or a vector DB. State updates persist in real time across all node jumps via a shared state ledger. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, handles actions by using self-describing interfaces. This shifts the integration burden from the developer to the AI, allowing the agent to autonomously learn how to use various tools. The evaluator adversarial loop involves a generator agent drafting content, which is then handed off to an evaluator agent. The evaluator tests execution and provides feedback for forced iteration until the criteria are met. To handle context overload, systems use context resets, which hard reset agents when they show, quote, context anxiety. Alternatively, context compaction natively processes long conversations for multi-hour runs without anxiety. The horizon is multi-agent swarms, where the human acts as the orchestrator. Agents, such as the planner, research, and execution agents, adopt specialized roles to handle complex tasks collaboratively. The deployment viability matrix shows that tasks like coding assistance are currently viable across the board. Others, like travel booking and automated IT support, still face challenges with edge cases, CAPTCHAs, and unconstrained risk. We are transitioning from passive instruction to orchestrating swarms. The new paradigm shifts the human role from micromanaging tasks to setting intent, defining constraints, and managing a digital workforce.